Greetings. This is going to be a little tutorial video on inserting animated GIFs into Smart Notebook and also into PowerPoint. And we'll do both in one shot here. First thing we're going to do is open up our web browser. And if you look at the top here, I have quite a few um, websites that feature animated GIFs. The first that I'm going to show though is Wikimedia Commons, and Wikimedia Commons is nice because the rights, the licensing of these images is advantageous to users in the educational setting. So we're going to look. You can see it's searchable. The website, the Commons here is searchable for specific GIF images, but I'm going to look for an animation of a vehicle, excuse me. So I'm going to click on animations of vehicles. You can see my browser is working very quickly. And now I'm going to scroll down. This one right here is one that makes me smile. It's a little car and a little bike. And I don't speak German, but I'm sure that means a car and a bike. It doesn't matter. I'm going to click on this link. And when I click on the link, and again, one of the nice features of this site is once I get the specific image, I can see the the copyright licensing right here, and I got to read through this and know exactly what it is that I can and cannot do. Nice feature of this site is the licensing. At any rate, I've read the licensing, I know what I can do, and I'm happy with what I'm going to do. I'm going to right click on the image, and then I'm going to go to Save Image As. This is going to go into my Downloads folder, and that's fine. I'm just going to make sure I name it something that I can find quickly. So how about car and bike? And I'm going to save, and you can see that file is downloading here on my browser. Now if I go to Notebook, I go to Insert and Picture, and I navigate to my downloads. Then I can go car and bike, open, and there's my animation. And you can see in Smart Notebook it automatically runs as an animation um, right away. So there it is. Isn't it pretty? Uh, do the same thing in PowerPoint. In my PowerPoint document, I'm going to go to the Insert menu and go to Picture. That opens my picture browser. Go to Downloads, and here is car and bike. Click Insert, and that won't show in PowerPoint. So that's important to know until I launch the slideshow. So when I launch this slideshow, the specific page, you can see my animation running in the page, even though it doesn't look like it in the edit mode. So my animation is right there, and it's good to go. So that's the basics. I want to show, we're going to look a little bit more at some of these other websites. And again, all these links are provided in the on the lesson page that we're looking at here. Um, so that was Wikimedia Commons. This is Giphy, and you can see these are different kinds of GIF images. These largely based on photographs. And again, this is searchable. So let's say, and some of them are maybe less appropriate. It's too close to Halloween. Let's search for apples. Let's search for cats instead of apples. So cats, and this is what we're going to get. These are all going to be crazy animated cat GIFs. Um, let's see if we can click on this one here. And you can see basically it's just the cat animates a little bit and pretty ridiculous. But we're going to do it. So I'm going to right click and save image as. And I'm just going to name it cat. Save that GIF image. It downloads. And again, I can come here and insert picture. And I'm going for cat now. Open. There's my nice cat animation. And I could do the same thing in PowerPoint. Insert picture. Downloads. Cat. Insert. And again, it won't play until I launch that browser. So, excuse me, launch the video. So let me launch um, the presentation. It helps if you can say it. So that's Giphy, and again, you can find lots of different things that are searchable. Here's another one, gifs.net, and this is got a lot of good stuff. This one is best animations, and there's good stuff there. Heather's Animations has, again, a lot of quality animations. And this last one here, pictureanimations.com. So I'm not going to do all of them. Basically, you're going to do the same thing. Right-click, save the GIF, and then insert it through the insert menu in either Smart Notebook or PowerPoint. Hope you enjoyed that brief tutorial on inserting animated GIFs.